Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm going to show a small Amazon order I've been waiting forever to use. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. Oh, and if you can like, comment, and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. So I've been waiting for this Amazon order. I actually got it probably a couple days ago, but I haven't had a chance to sit down and record because I love artdot storage. If y'all have seen, especially some of y'all wonderful returning viewers, thank you so much for that. I own a lot of artdot storage. I owe a lot of their stuff. I owe a lot of their putty and their storage containers, mostly because I own a lot of their storage containers. This is the 60 count storage containers. And just for clarification, this is my take 2 of this video because I didn't notice, I forgot the other side of this plastic has the packing label, which showed my address. So I thought, yeah, let me record it again. So I already took it out of the plastic. That's why the container's out. But it is a really sturdy plastic that they wrap it around in. And if you do not select the option of when you're ordering through Amazon to put it in Amazon packaging, they do deliver it in this bag. I totally forgot to do that, so it came in this bag, which I was so happy that there were no damages to the container or anything. And the bag, except for a little scuff here and there, had no issues at all. Big fan of that because it really protected it well. As you can see, the little container has no damage at all to it. It's a zipper container. It is a 60 count bottle container. As I said, I own a lot of artdot. This size, I only have one other one, which is the orange color. I really love these 60 count ones. I do own the larger 240 counts. There, I have 3 colors. I have the orange, the pink, and the blue. And for my smaller 30s, I own a lot of them. I have a whole bunch of different colors. As I said, I really love artdot storage. And as you can see, the blue one has more of an Arctic feel to it. It has the wonderful cute polar bears, I believe some reindeer and the penguins and all of that. And a little winter fox. I didn't see that before. And I just love the blue coloring. The larger 240 container one and the smaller 30 count one also has the same design. So that's, I'm a big fan of the blue. And it has snowflakes on it, which is my favorite. So this storage container is a zip around. It has 2 zippers, but I'm just zipping one right now. Okay, it's not upside down. It does include some accessories. And oh my goodness, they're different this time. Okay, so as I've stated before, I bought other artdot storage containers. And I'm going to have to find the top for this one because it fell off somewhere when I was moving it around. And I just love these containers. These tubes are really sturdy, really smooth to open, and all of that. That's why I own a lot of their tube storage. Their accessories are different this time. Oh, I found the top. It's in here. Ta-da! I was worried, ooh, I'm going to have to reach out and ask if they can replace it. No, it was tucked in there. Usually their accessories are just accessories, but this time, oh my goodness, they are really different. This surprised me. I did not know it was going to contain these little trays. And we'll go through it in a moment. It does have little tubes, so whenever you're going to start pouring diamonds into these little tube storages, I really love these little, I forgot what they're called. Cones? I don't know why I can't remember what they're called. I just got so excited because it looks really different. So the accessories traditionally before was a large white tray that you can pour out. That's how I was used to whatever was coming in to these wonderful storage containers. This is completely new to me. I did not know that they changed it. And I am such a big fan of it because it's all blue. It's all a nice wintry blue. As you can see, there's some sturdy plastic tweezers. I do like these because they are a little pointy, but they're really sturdy whenever I use them. Oh, I think I'm going to use these the next square painting I'm going to do. And several of their standard pens in this wonderful blue glitter with different multi-placers. It has a multi-placer of 3, multi-placer of 5. I believe this is 9, and this is, oh, there's 2 of the 5. And they all include brass tips. I really do like these pens. They're so cute. And some resealable bags. I really love using these. They're really good for spare storage. a whole bunch of pads of wax. Oh my goodness, that is a lot of wax. And I do like their wax. I've used it before. So let's count these. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, that is so cool. I do love the light color. I love using blue wax and the purple wax. I haven't bought a lot of other colors, but these, whenever you use them, they dry clear. So I'm a big fan of these colors of wax, and includes a whole bunch of different trays. So I do have an artdot painting, and their trays are kind of small, that they come standard with the paintings. They're kind of this size, and it's real neat that they come with two. The neat thing about them is you can see these little slots. You can just pop them in, and you can put them as a multi-tray. Yeah, I thought it was real neat. I only have two of them, so the first time I did it, I've used it before. I'm a big fan of it. As you can see, it has a little spout. So whenever you're going to switch colors, you can just pour them out, and everything pours out as a spout. I've never owned one of their large ones. Oh my goodness, this tray is so nice. Oh, I'm a big fan of this. And I'm going to use this one for one of my next paintings. I haven't tried their large ones. As I said, I've always used their little ones. I'm a big fan of that. And I love large trays too. And they also include the little spout so you can pour it out. Just for some clarification, artdot did not send this to me. I bought it on my own. All of this is a surprise to me, so I sound real woo. It's because I was not expecting it. Thank you, artdot. I really love that you included this. And a really beautiful blue glittered straightener. And I have several of these, but in white. I've never gotten this pretty color. This is now my favorite. Just in case, anytime you're placing diamonds and you want to just straighten the row, these are really neato for larger paintings, so you can just straighten them so you can get the row the way you need it. And I also include some labels as well. Excuse me. They're small, perfect size for the tubes, so you can just place them of whatever you decide what kind of number you want to put. I do use these sometimes, especially if I'm doing budget-friendly canvases. Majority of the time, I just follow the numbers they are on the legend. So these are really useful that I'll just put numbers in real quick. They're premium paintings. Usually, majority of the time, they come in labels, so I still put them on the tubes. So, and they're really large. The little, whatever kind of label you're going to use, they'll fit. That's why I'm a big fan of these. And you can pull them out if you do not wish to use. Keep them in the little storage just to have the tray itself. So you can see it's a nice little soft velvety container. Then you can just put it back in once you're already done using them, on the side when you're painting. I always keep them in here. Sorry, apologies. I always keep them in here because I just don't want to lose my tubes. That's why I'm a big fan of it. And as well, it has a little nice little rubber band pocket. And move this down. Big fan of that, so you're able to put all of your accessories or anything you need to put. Big fan of that. Oh my goodness, this really surprised me. I was not expecting accessories to be really, really nice. I really like these. And I really am happy for all of these pads of wax. I was not expecting 10 of them. I'm a big fan of that. I'm going to make sure to use this wax the next time I'm going to be painting. I'm going to make sure to use them. There are so many. So I'm just putting everything back in the bag. So I don't lose any of them. And now I'm really excited that if I do want to purchase more of the 60, because as I said, I do have it in orange. And when I received that one, the tool accessories weren't in this style. So I think if I order a different color, I wonder if they're going to be the same. Stay tuned for that. I think that's my next Amazon order. As you can see, you just zip it around. Real sturdy. Has a nice little handle. Really easy when you need to carry it. If you have several items with you. That's why I'm a big fan of these boxes. Real sturdy. So I'm a big fan of them. I cannot wait to keep this up. I actually have a painting in mind to use this. That's why I kind of needed to open it. So I'm going to put it aside real quick. And of course, I cannot order anything from Amazon without getting a painting. I saw this one as well was discounted. Ooh, let me put that aside real quick. And I bought this brand before. If any of y'all have seen my other Amazon unboxings, you've probably seen this little name, Suyalu? Eo? No, it's an I. Apologies. Super apologize that I super mispronounced that. I thought it was an L, but it's an I. And I love their little canvas. I'm a big fan of it. So, That's why anytime I purchase, I get surprised when I see that name. I'm a big fan of it. And so, the little glue is kind of starting on the back as well. Ooh, apologies, it's really sticking on there. At least I know it was safe and secure when it was moving around. So let me put that aside real quick. And it is folded over, containing all of the items you're going to use. So it has your standard kit. As you can see, it has your pen, your tray, your wax, and just in case you're new to diamond painting, all you would do is pour your diamonds into this little green tray, get the pen, press it on the wax, press it on the diamond, put it on the painting, and voila, you're officially a diamond painter. And do not worry, any other canvas you receive, it will always have the standard kit. Always has you covered. This one's a little more fancy because it has resealable bags. Usually standard kits do not have that, but I appreciate that whenever they put those. I always have a reason to use those little bags. And these are the diamonds. Oh my goodness, I really love the colors of this. You can see the wonderful blues, a lot of browns, lovely light teal. Big fan of that. And yeah, I love whenever they have the diamonds in this style, because sometimes they're folded, but I love when they're flat this way, because then I can be able to see all of the colors. Ooh, big fan of that. I really like that. And they're easier to put away until I'm ready to start the painting. And this is the canvas. So with these canvases, they are a little sturdier, as you can hear. Big fan of it because I do put some of these on my wall without a frame. So I love that I know the canvas won't become damaged because it is a sturdy material. Big fan of that. And as you can see, it's a wonderful moon with some flowers and a nice blue sky and the one star hanging off of it. I'm a big fan. I love moon. I love moon images. And so when I first saw this one, I wanted to pick it up. And mostly because the moon has a little sleeping face. I'm a big fan of that as well. And I love the blue from the sky. Even though you can see this little crease from the folding, from holding all the diamonds, I do put these in a portfolio, so after a while the crease does disappear. In case you don't have a portfolio, you can put anything heavy on top or even put it under your mattress. I've heard some painters do that. It does take care of all the creases. So don't worry, it will go away. To me, I don't have a problem with it. So some information about this painting. Excuse me. It is LY 3536 and it's a 30 by 40 and it contains 27 colors. And the legend from numbers 1 to 8, they are numerical order, meaning 1 is 1, 2 is 2. And from 9 all the way to 27, they are in alphabetical order. So they're all capitalized letters as A, C, D, and so on. And yeah, there are no symbols. Oh, I love when they're real simple legends like that. Real easy peasy when you start painting. As you can see, it is such a beautiful canvas. I love the color. The plastic covering it is really sturdy. I never had any issues with it. And the stick as well. Ooh, that is really sturdy too. Big fan of that. And oh my goodness, the drill field is really, really clear. As you can see, all the wonderful letters and numbers. Let me see if I can get this a little closer. You can see that it's really clear. And I love when they do that. That the little darker sections have a lighter tone and the lighter sections have a darker tone. It makes it really easy. Oh my goodness, I really want to start this painting. And yeah, just in case, I know it all fits in frame, but just so you can see a little clear, be able to locate and put a little image here in the middle of the screen so you can see the wonderful little sleeping moon with the little star and all of that. Oh my goodness, I really want to kit up this canvas. It's 27. Oh, apologies. It is a round canvas. And majority of my Amazon budget-friendly canvases are all round. I rarely find squares, and I do prefer rounds a little bit more. Ooh, I'm a big fan of that. Oh, this is so pretty, and I love it. Oh, and on top, there is a small thumbprint of the image, just in case you want to compare anytime you're putting any colors. Sometimes I do, especially if I see one that's a little off. That little thumbprint helps me as well. Ooh. Big fan of it. And information about this painting and as well for the storage container I'll put in the description below if maybe any of these items are to your liking as well. So yeah, that's all I wanted to show today. It was a smaller order, mostly because I really wanted that storage container And of course, as I said, anytime I do any kind of Amazon order, I got to stick in a painting or two. And I do have some more, so I'll make sure to include those in other videos once I receive them. And stay tuned for a Temu video that might be coming out later this week because I finally got my orders, so don't worry. I'm going to make sure to show a lot of budget friendlies this week. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like, comment, and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps put the channel out there, and it really allows me the opportunity to show all of these wonderful diamond paintings we love to do, sleeping moons and all. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.